Welcome, young explorers. Today, we're going to travel through space and learn about our incredible solar system. We'll also discover how scientists study the world around them using special skill and tools from day and night to planets and models. Get ready for a fun and fascinating journey. Have you ever wondered why we have day and night? Hmm, it's all because the Earth is constantly spinning on an imaginary line called its axis. The Earth rotates only one half faces the Sun at a time. The half experiences daylight while the other half is in darkness, nighttime. The spinning also makes it look like the sun moves across the sky, rising in the east and setting in the west. But remember, it's not the sun that's moving, it's us on Earth who are spinning. Shadows are also affected by the Earth's rotation. If you stand outside all day, you'll notice your shadow changing. In the morning and evening, your shadow is long. Around noon, it becomes shorter. This is because the angles of sunlight change as the earth turns. The positions of the sun in the sky affect how shadow falls. By observing shadow, and science people could even tell the time of day. Our solar system is made up of 8 amazing planets. Starting closest to the Sun, we have Mercury, then Venus, Earth, that's where we live, right? Followed by Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and finally Neptune. Each planet is unique with different size, colors, and features. For examples, Jupiter is the biggest and Mars is known as the red planet. So, can you say all their names in order? Yes, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptunus. Yes, good job! The Sun is the giant star at the center of our solar system. Everything, planets, moons, comet, and asteroid orbit around it because its strong gravity. Our solar system isn't just planet. There are rocky asteroids in a belt between Mars and Jupiter, and icy comets that zoom in from the edges of the system. It's a busy, beautiful neighborhood in space. Wow, fantastic! Scientists often use models to help explaining big ideas. For example, a model of the solar system helps us understand how planets move, even though the real distance and size are far greater. Models help make invisible or complicated things easier to understand. But it is important to remember, models are not perfect. They don't show every detail and they sometimes simplify things. Models are really helpful when we want to show how big or small thing or how far apart they are. For example, a scale model of the solar system might use tiny balls to represent planets spaced out across a field to show how far apart they are in real life. This helps us better understand things we cannot easily see or visit. Science isn't just about experiment. There are many ways scientists find answers. They might do research by reading books or websites, or try fair testing by changing one thing at a time in an experiment. They might observe change over time, like watching plants grow, or classify things by sorting them into groups. And sometimes they look for patterns, like whether the temperature always drops at night. These are all parts of scientific inquiry. Scientists always record their observations carefully. That means writing down what you see, measure, or find out. You can use tables to organize your data or diagram to show how this looks. This helps you find patterns and make it easier to explain your results to others. Okay, let's review what we learned today. You know that Earth's rotation causes day and night. You've named the planets in our solar system and learned what else is floating out here, there. So you also discovered the things, use model, questions, data, and diagram to help explain our world. So, great work, classes!